Best deals.
1. Clothes Folder. An amazing folding tool suitable for kids' clothes that can fold to a uniform size in less than 5 seconds. Great for folding tees, t-shirts, shirts, pants or towels. Useful for home use, retailers, manufacturers, screen printers or embroiderers. Very easy to use, increases productivity. Now anybody can fold. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Fruit basket. Perfect for serving fruits, vegetables, bread, or snacks. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Ceramic tea mug. Meticulously crafted from high quality, durable ceramic that provides a smooth, long-lasting finish. Designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its elegant appeal. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Coffee canister. Have innovative freshness valves to release CO2 but lock out oxygen and preserve the flavor of your coffee beans. Sitting on top of the steel clasp seal lid is a date tracker wheel. Logging the purchase or expiry date reduces waste and puts a stop to throwing precious coffee in the trash. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopper. Easily slice almonds, cashews and more with this compact dry fruit cutter. Works as an efficient dry fruit slicer for quick, mess-free results every time. Powerful and easy to use dry fruit cutter machine that also functions as a dry fruit slicer for all nuts. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Silicone strip. Cabinet door bumper is soft and has a small airbag. It can absorb huge shock and noise caused by closing the door or moving furniture. Stick it to the edge of the table, the back of the chair, the door of the refrigerator or the front and back doors to effectively absorb the impact and protect the wall, refrigerator and car door from scratches and bumps. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Electric chopper. Perfect for chopping larger quantities of vegetables, fruits, and more. The food-grade transparent bowl allows easy monitoring while you work. Equipped with 3 high-quality blades featuring 6 sharp cutting edges, providing fast, precise chopping and long-lasting durability. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Chopsticks. Specially designed for beginners, these training chopsticks feature connected tips, making it easier to pick up food. Made from high-quality plastic, these chopsticks are durable, easy to clean, and resistant to scratches. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Trivet mats. Handle extreme hot and cold temperatures, preventing heat marks, burns, or scratches on countertops, dining tables, and stovetops when used with hot pans, pots, coffee makers, or baking dishes. Perfect for withstanding daily kitchen use without bending, warping, or tearing. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Storage box. Designed with flexibility in mind, the storage box features adjustable compartments that can be easily repositioned or removed to suit your needs. Whether you are organizing bulky comforters, folded clothes, shoes, or smaller accessories, the dividers let you create custom-sized sections to keep everything neat, separate, and easy to access. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Plastic stool. Easily stackable to save valuable floor space. Perfect for small living areas, this feature allows you to store multiple stools without clutter. Made from high-quality polypropylene, these stools are built to withstand daily use. They resist deformation. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Frying kadhai. Free from PFOA, PFAS and other toxic chemicals. Cook with confidence now. Locks nutrients, food tastes better and more delicious. Requires 50% less oil for cooking. Say bye to oily and junk food and hello to healthy and scrumptious meals. Food can be cooked without anything sticking to the cookware. Now cook your favorite recipes without fear of sticking. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dish drainer rack. You can place the washed utensils in the plastic dish drainer and rack, as the presence of a well-designed slanting surface at the bottom enables quick water drainage from washed utensils. Kitchen dish drainer can be set up quickly and easily. It is used for storing plates, dishes, cups, glasses, and other small utensils in an organized way. Equipped with a portable spoon, fork and knife holder and a storage basket. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Frying pan. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stove tops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Comes with a sturdy glass lid to lock in moisture and flavors. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cleaning brush. Just press the top button to release the right amount of soap directly onto the bristles, making dishwashing faster and keep your sink area neat and dry with the hygienic storage base that collects drips and prevents water buildup. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hamburger press. Has an adjustable feature, which allows you to control the thickness of the patties, giving you flexibility for various types of burgers. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Wrap dispenser. Hidden two-way cutting slide, will not touch or hurt your finger. Cutting slide is sharp, to ensure smooth cutting every time. Built-in rotatable metal roller makes pulling out plastic wrap, butter paper, aluminum foil, and parchment paper easier and smoother. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Canister. Made with high-quality stainless steel and polycarbonate, these canisters resist dents and scratches for long-lasting use. Stainless steel threaded lids paired with silicone rings provide a secure, airtight, and moisture-proof seal to keep contents fresh. Safe and hygienic materials ensure suitability for storing all types of dry food items. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sandwich maker. Made with heavy-duty cast aluminum for long-lasting performance, this gas toaster sandwich maker ensures even heat distribution for perfectly grilled sandwiches every time. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Casserole. Built with 4-layer Enviromax enamel coating and compliant with FDA, LFGB, and AIX standards. Free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, cadmium, and harmful chemicals for healthier, worry-free meals. Specially engineered to retain essential nutrients, minerals, and natural flavors while ensuring faster cooking and perfect sautéing. Tough enamel-coated cast iron resists rust, stains, and high heat daily use while maintaining a stunning finish for years. A true kitchen heirloom. Ensures consistent heat distribution with no cold spots, delivering flawless results for biryanis, curries, stews, dosas, or pancakes. Enjoy all the benefits of cast iron without the hassle of seasoning or complicated upkeep. Designed for a secure grip and easy control when flipping, stirring, or transferring dishes from stove top to oven to table. Compatible with induction, gas, ceramic, and electric cooktops, and oven safe up to 260 degrees Celsius for limitless cooking possibilities. Product link is given in the 20th link.